Hi and welcome back, I'm Jenny and this is LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm sharing nail mail and this package has two different sets of gel polishes. The one I'll be swatching today is the Rainbow Magnetic Collection. The first color is this beautiful bright orange full of glitter, and as you can probably tell, it looks a little bit sticky, but once you start applying it on the nail, it spreads out really nicely and has great coverage. The next color is a beautiful bright red. I noticed that on camera it looks a little bit like the orange one, so I wanted to compare them to show you guys that they are different. This next color is really unique and different. I love that it's like a goldish green and it looks perfect for a holiday manicure. Next we have a bright green which looks really pretty too. This one is a bright yellow gold. And finally, we have this gorgeous deep blue. After applying the first coat, I cure in the lamp. Then I apply a second coat to all the nails. But before I cure in the lamp again, I use a magnet to bring out the magnetic cat eye of each of the shades. I finish off by applying a shiny top coat, and here's the entire collection. They all look beautiful and you can really see the magnetic cat eye effect on each of the shades. I hope you enjoyed these swatches. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like my content, I invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button.